Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Caromix Folding Exercise Bike, a versatile 4-in-1 stationary bike perfect for your home workout needs. This innovative bike allows you to switch between upright and semi-reclining positions, offering both calorie-burning intensity and a relaxed riding experience, while the included arm resistance bands help tone your upper body. With its fitness-friendly design, the LCD monitor tracks your time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate, letting you tailor your fitness plan while enjoying entertainment on your mobile device. The bike's 16-level magnetic resistance ensures a quiet ride, and its sturdy steel frame supports up to 330 pounds, providing stability and durability. Designed for convenience, this bike easily folds up for storage and features transport wheels for effortless movement around your home. Quick to assemble with pre-installed screws and detailed instructions, it's a fantastic gift idea for friends or family, offering multiple fitness functions in a compact, noise-free package. Plus, with a strong after-sales service team and a 12-month free parts replacement service, you can enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.